In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Notion, enhancing your ability to organize and emphasize important information within your documents. Using Notion effectively requires a few simple techniques, and today we're focusing on the highlighter tool. Highlighting in Notion not only helps in making your notes more visually appealing but also allows for easier reference later on. Firstly, let's navigate to the page where you want to highlight text. Once you're there, simply select the text you wish to highlight. This can be a word, sentence, or even an entire paragraph. By clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired text, you'll activate the selection. It's essential to ensure you're highlighting precisely what you need, as this ensures clarity and focus when you return to read your notes. With the text selected, you'll notice a small toolbar that appears above your selection. This toolbar is your gateway to several formatting options. Among these options is the Text Color button, which also manages your highlighting preferences. Clicking this button will display a variety of colors. Feel free to choose the color that best suits your document style or personal preference. This personalization is a powerful way to engage with your content and can even help in retaining information. For those who enjoy working with keyboard shortcuts, Notion offers a convenient one for highlighting. The command you'll need to remember is Ctrl-Shift-H on Windows, or Command-Shift-H if you're using a Mac. This shortcut will apply the last used highlight color to any selected text. It's a quick and efficient way to apply highlights without breaking your focus or momentum while working on a project. Sometimes, understanding the context of your highlights is crucial, especially when you're collaborating with others or revisiting notes from previous sessions. In Notion, you can also add comments to your highlighted text. Simply right-click on the highlighted area and select Comment. This feature allows you to add notes or reminders that may be relevant to the highlighted content, thus enriching the informativeness of your documents. If you ever need to remove a highlight, just select the highlighted text again, navigate to the Text Color button on the toolbar, and choose Default. This action will remove the highlight and revert the text to its standard appearance. It's an effortless way to adjust your document's look and feel on the go. By practice, these steps will soon become second nature, and you'll find yourself breezing through your documents with ease. Remember, effective use of highlights can drastically improve your productivity and comprehension when working within Notion. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply an avid note-taker, I hope this guide makes your Notion experience more vibrant and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy highlighting!